Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a first look at a game changer in the electric SUV market, the all-new 2024 Volvo EX90. This isn't just another electric SUV, it's a statement about Scandinavian design, cutting-edge technology, and luxury that prioritizes people and the planet. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into what makes the EX90 so special. Volvo has always been known for its clean, minimalist design, and the EX90 takes it to a whole new level. Imagine a sculpted wedge, chiseled from polished stone, but somehow floating on air. The smooth lines, integrated headlights, and pop-out door handles give it a futuristic yet elegant presence. It's like something straight out of a Scandinavian sci-fi film, and I absolutely love it. Interior: step inside the EX90, and you're greeted with a Scandinavian spa-like atmosphere. Light, airy, and filled with sustainable materials like recycled wood and wool. The panoramic sunroof opens up the cabin to the sky, while the floating center console and minimalist dashboard create a sense of spaciousness. But it's not all about looks. The seats are like ergonomic thrones, cradling you in comfort, and the climate control system automatically adjusts to your individual preferences. This is a cabin designed for relaxation, rejuvenation, and enjoying the journey as much as the destination. The EX90 is packed with cutting-edge tech that makes driving not just effortless, but exhilarating. We're talking a next-generation lidar system, advanced driver assistance features that practically drive themselves, and an intuitive infotainment system that learns your preferences and anticipates your needs. And with over-the-air updates, your EX90 will always be at the forefront of automotive innovation. Volvo's not playing around with the EX90's powertrain. Dual motors pump out over 500 horsepower, launching you from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. But here's the thing, it's not just about speed. The EX90 handles like a dream, gliding through corners with surprising agility and delivering a smooth, controlled ride. This is an electric SUV that's as at home on winding mountain roads as it is on the open highway. Volvo's commitment to sustainability goes beyond just using recycled materials. The EX90 is built on a new platform designed for electric vehicles, maximizing efficiency and minimizing waste. Plus, with a charging range of over 300 miles, you can go further on a single charge, reducing your carbon footprint. This is a luxury SUV that doesn't compromise on the planet, and that's something we can all get behind. The 2024 Volvo EX90 is more than just an electric SUV, it's a glimpse into the future of luxury travel. It's a car designed for the conscious driver, the one who demands style, performance, and technology without sacrificing sustainability. The EX90 doesn't just redefine electric luxury, it elevates it. So, are you ready to experience the future? Then get ready for the 2024 Volvo EX90. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the EX90. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, I hope this helps.